My name is Lou Zelenka. I'm the Vice President of Operations here at Woodard. I started at Woodard in 1981. I started in the welding department as a line inspector. What I like most about working at Woodard is definitely the people that I work with. Everybody's showing pride in our craftsmanship, our quality, and making sure every piece of furniture has the attention to detail that our customers deserve. There's a lot of pride in the community and a lot of pride in our workforce here, and we take it very seriously, and a lot of pride in what we do here. Man, I'm really screwing that up. Hang on a second.
My name is Andy, and I'm the CNC programmer operator. I've been here just over 25 years. All the furniture that goes through here, and you kind of think to yourself, boy, that's a lot of furniture that goes around the world. It never stops, and it's like something I made is out there in the world still today, and that's kind of a nice feeling.
Hi, I'm Dave Rolfe. I'm a welder here at Woodard. I've been here 23 years. We've got a great sense of pride in our warranties, how long it lasts. I've seen furniture that was built, oh man, back in the 40s or 50s. It has the Woodard name on it, and it's still holding up good.
I'm Erin Huska. I'm the team lead for the Gerber upholstery position, and I have been working at Woodard for 7 years. We have well over 200 fabrics probably on the shelves alone, and then our whole back aisle is stacked up on skids that go all the way to the ceiling. All kinds of fabrics, patterns, solids, you name it. What I like most about the people I work with is that they're a great group of people and that everyone communicates really well to make the process easier. To me, creating a product that lasts so long, I think is awesome. Even if I'm not gonna see it when it gets to whoever buys it, I think it's cool to know that I had a part in that.